In front of me is Nokia 1.4, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestions on this device. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, go to the settings, find and select system, and click on languages and input. Here select on-screen keyboard, go to Gboard then, and pick text correction. And here you will notice show emoji suggestions, so if you'd like to turn it on, just make sure that the indicator is active. However, if you'd like to deactivate it, just click on the button again. So this is it. Let me leave it active. From now on, emoji suggestions are on. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.